Remote control chip is an electronic component that allows for wireless control of devices such as televisions, air conditioners, and home appliances. These chips are typically small and can be integrated into the circuitry of the device being controlled. They use various wireless communication technologies, such as infrared or radio frequency, to transmit signals to the device. Remote control chips are commonly used in consumer electronics and home automation systems, and can offer convenience and ease of use for users. There are many different types of remote control chips available on the market, each with their own unique features and capabilities. If you have a demand for purchasing IC chips, please contact us for consultation and quotation.